Hi guys, surprise e-learning today. Everything's okay at the school. It was a small fire, but usually when there's a fire, it leaves a pretty big smell and pretty big mess to clean up. So it was just important that all students were out of the building today. So I'm sure we will be back on Monday. I'm not going to do a full-on video today for you guys to copy because I feel like you guys have done vocabulary words enough to be able to be independent. I do have the vocab words today: family and neighbor. The definition of family is a group of people who are related to each other. If you look in my instructions, I gave you multiple examples that you're welcome to use. On the first line where it says blank and blank are, and then it's our examples of family. And the definition of neighbor is someone who lives near another person. And I also gave you two examples. That one was a hard one to think of. So I did give you two examples in the instructions of the assignment that you can go ahead and use and fill into your green sheets. And also, if you're struggling writing your own sentence, I did give you sentence starters for that. And you can use my sentence starters if you like. My sentence starter for family is, I love it when my family blanks. And you know me, I'm always trying to get you to expand your sentences. So try to give me a really good descriptive sentence of what you love when your family does at a certain time or together. Maybe you can add a little bit of detail to that. My sentence starter for neighbor is, the neighbor came over to, what would the neighbor come over to do? It can be a funny sentence or a serious sentence, but add some detail in there that makes the sentence really interesting. That is it. You obviously do need to go to thesaurus.com and find a synonym for each one of those words, but you guys have done this about 100 times before, so I think you will be good. We are going to have an optional Zoom time, only one time to Zoom. So it'll be with virtual kids and in-person kids. So if you have questions or need some help, I will email you with that time. I'm thinking maybe 10 o'clock would be a good time. So look for an email from me with a link. You don't need to get on for attendance or anything. You do need to do the attendance from Mrs. Harnish. She will send out an email. You need to fill out the Google form for that with your name, your sixth period teacher, which is me, and today's date, I believe. So if you have any questions, you can sign on to that Zoom, but you need to make sure that you either sign on to the Zoom, you do the attendance, or you do some work in order to get credit for being at school today. I will go ahead and make a math and basic skills video too for you. And if you have any questions, I'll see you guys at the 10 o'clock Zoom.